Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I'll show you one of the best free feature that RankMath provides in free RankMath SEO plugin. And for that feature in the Yoast, you have to buy a premium subscription. But if you are using the RankMath or if you want to use RankMath, this features comes for free. This feature is the best feature that provided by the RankMath SEO, and the feature is called redirection. Let's just see what the redirection do and why it is so helpful for your WordPress website. Yoast SEO's redirection manager comes with the premium plan, which costs you $99 per year. And if you do not have a Yoast SEO premium plan, you will not be able to have the redirection manager inside your SEO dashboard or inside your WordPress dashboard. But when it comes to RankMath SEO, it gives you this option for free. So if you will compare RankMath with the Yoast SEO, I would say that RankMath free plugin is much better than the Yoast premium plugin. So let's see how RankMath redirection work, what are the settings and how much does it help you and how it help you. Now we have come to the RankMath dashboard. If you log into your website, then you'll see the RankMath settings are there. So in the dashboard, you can see the redirection option is left side of the screen. Here you can see I have redirected a lot of pages to another pages. And here you will see 3-4 things. From top, you'll see add a new direction, import and export, learn more, manage categories. You can create categories for different type of, such as like you can see open-end deals, uncategorized, right? And then the settings. You can do settings of your redirection manager here. Here you can see you can set up the settings of RankMath redirection like debug redirection, fallback behavior in 404, redirect to home, custom, and the redirection type. So there are various types of redirection. One, permanent move. If you have moved one page to another move permanently, you can use this. But temporary move, you can use this for if you are doing a temporary. Then temporary redirect, if you want to redirect some page. Temporary redirect 307, you can temporarily redirect some pages. 401 is content deleted. If you have deleted the content, you want to redirect that to different page, and then the content unavailable. If the content is not available for some legal reason, then you can do this redirect. Then there is auto post redirect. This one feature is the best which comes with the Yoast SEO. Now I'll show you how this auto redirect works, and this is one of the best feature that I love about RankMath SEO. So we'll go to the post, open all post, and I'll show you how does this RankMath auto post redirection work. Let's suppose you have published a post on your website that best Black Friday deals 2024. So now we have opened one post on my website which says best WordPress Black Friday deals year with massive discounts. Suppose you are using a number in the link like best Black Friday deals 2024, right? For the 2024. But when you will change this link from Black Friday deals 2025, right? If you change like this, Black Friday deals 2025 published on this post, then an automatic redirection will be created in your redirection book. If you have enabled that option, and it will automatically redirect the old post to the new post. So this one feature is alone best of the RankMath redirection plugin. Apart from this, a lot of settings you can do, like let's suppose we want to add a new link. So what you have to do, you have to put a source link on this page. Like you are putting the source link. This is a source link. Then you will say it is an exec or contains, start with, end with, or rejects, right? Then you have to add the destination page where you want to redirect this. Then you have to select the redirection type like permanent move, temporary move, or temporary redirect. 401 content deleted or content unavailable for legal reasons. So you have to select the redirection type. Then you can create categories. Like I've created two categories like Black Friday. Then I've created a coupon deals, and you can create a lot of categories here. Then you have status active or deactivate, right? Then you can also schedule this redirection, or you can also schedule deactivation. let's suppose you have created post for some particulars for some event, and once the event is ended, this redirection will be activated for that particular period. Let's suppose you want to create it on 24th July and you want to end it on 30th July. So what will happen, this will be automatically a redirection will be created, and then 30th July our redirection will automatically deactivated. This is how rank match redirection works. Other options are there also, like you can import a CSV file which says this: import CSV file to create or update redirection. The file must include at least the following columns: source and destination. So you need two things in order to import your redirection setting, right? And there are export. If you want to export your redirection settings, like you are moving your entire site to some other site and you want to import those redirections to a new website, then you can use this feature alone. So rank match redirection feature is the best feature, I would say, and it is much better than the Yoast SEO's premium version. So this video was all about rank match redirection manager. I hope video was helpful for you. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you have come for the first time on this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel.